May 7th, 2014. These are Earth-facing images from the Solar Dynamics Observatory. We've had a flare and a coronal mass ejection on the right. They are not Earth-facing. There's your CME and flare. But the instruments around the Earth on the satellites are picking up this energy burst. And when we see that, we see the chance of quakes go up. Again, there's your CME, followed by the flare. They happen just just like that, frame to frame. Again, not Earth-facing, but the satellites are picking up, especially the ACE. We'll look at a couple of close-ups of this coronal mass ejection. Check it out in this particular filter. It's a combination of 3 cameras right there. There's your burst, again, followed by the flare. Notice on the left side, guys, for the last 2 days, I've been mentioning this glow. More energy on that side of the sun. We're starting to see the sunspot come around. But again, let's look at stereo behind CRO2. The coronal mass ejection is much stronger than it appeared on just the SDO. Let's go through the day here. Right there. That's the last frame. You saw that. Also, let's go back to Earth-facing LASCO C2. Notice our time stamp. Let me back this up. I'll show you what we're dealing with. Again, notice this glow on the left. It's been there for 48 hours as that big sunspot's coming around. But here is the last couple of days. We'll go all the way back to the 3rd. Come back in. And so as you go through to the 5th there, that's what we're starting to feel today. Now, you've got about a 24 to 48 hour period depending on the type of energy that we're dealing with. Usually 48 hours, if you have a coronal mass ejection, you'll start seeing that. But you notice on the ACE electron charts, both events were picked up. Both the flare, then the energy that's in the coronal mass ejection. This is the X-ray flux out of Boulder, and you can see just in an M-class flare, but a lot of energy was there. This is the sunspot summary that you've got 56, 55, and 57 that we're watching. It's actually 7 sunspots in this group. But below this one, it has not been numbered yet, and that's where the glow is coming from. I'll show you that. It will probably pick up the tag of 2058 as it rolls around. We'll watch. But let's pull up stereo B, which gives us a side image here in the green to the right. Well, you're not looking at Earth-facing images. Earth is to the right there. But it gives us an indication of what's rolling around. And it's starting to pull around. And by in the morning or later tonight, they probably will have this sunspot numbered. But it appears like a very large area. Again, where this air is going up there is where we've been watching that glow for 48 hours. So there's a lot of energy involved in that. I want to talk about that. And guys, in about 45 minutes on the Blog Talk show at 6 p.m., I want to talk about the American Spring that's going on in Washington, D.C. this month on the 16th. That's next Friday. But I'd like to hear your opinions and talk to anybody that is possibly going. But this is a heads up. Be safe. I'll see you at 6.